Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make uttapam at home. First, let's prepare the batter. You'll need to soak 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of urad dal for at least 4 hours. After soaking, grind them into a smooth, thick batter, adding a little water as needed. Then, let this batter ferment overnight, ideally for 8 to 12 hours, in a warm spot. This fermentation is key for that perfect fluffy texture. Now, let's get our toppings ready. For a classic uttapam, finely chop 1 medium onion, 1 green chili, and a small piece of ginger. Also, dice 1 small tomato and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. These fresh ingredients add wonderful flavor and texture. Feel free to get creative. Grated carrots or finely chopped bell peppers also make excellent additions to your uttapam. Time to cook. Heat a non-stick griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour about 1 ladle of batter onto the griddle, spreading it gently into a thick, round pancake, about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. Immediately sprinkle your chosen toppings evenly over the batter. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil around the edges. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious homemade uttapam is ready. For the best experience, serve it hot and fresh right off the griddle. Traditionally, uttapam is enjoyed with a flavorful coconut chutney, which adds a wonderful tangy and spicy kick. Sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew, is also a fantastic accompaniment. Enjoy your warm, savory uttapam, a truly satisfying and healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.